Check out the inside of the visitor center. Oh, look at the back here first. I want to see the back here first. I probably need to turn the camera off because there are other people in there. So, actually, I think what we'll do is go along this trail here. I changed my mind. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo, let's go this way. Some dragonflies, you see them? Big ones. Ah, a birdhouse looks like. Any birds in it? Don't see any. Ooh, more creeper and vines. They're so cool. Alright, so here's one of the trails. This is probably not the one I meant to go to, but look at the size of that tree. Wow. It's huge. There's the building, the remains. This is the remains of the sugar mill, I believe. This is part of the sugar mill. Oh, I bet there's some history here. There might even be some old coins, but can't metal detect. That is gorgeous. Yep, you definitely want to keep out of there because that thing could go at any time. Alright, so let's get some history. Sugar mill operation. This sugar mill operated similar to other steam-powered mills of the mid-1800s. Molasses was drawn out of raw sugar cane by heating it in 5 kettles known as the battery. The cane juice was transferred from the largest kettle, called the grande, into the next 4 kettles repeatedly until the sugar was partially crystallized. Then the sugar was transported in a series of troughs and cooled for 24 hours. The sugar was then put into hogshead barrels with holes on the bottom called potting casks. Each hole in the potting cask was plugged with crushed cane, which drew the molasses away from the sugar and into a cistern. After the molasses was drained away, the hogshead barrels of sugar could be shipped by rail or canal to barges on Lake Pontchartrain. That's the lake that I was starting to show you, and then the batteries died, I believe. I can't remember. I showed it to you. Let's see. There are trails, and that's what I wanted to go to. I think There's trails over here. And I am starting to get hungry, so I have brought myself some cherry pomegranate organic Pop-Tarts. And I don't know if they're any good still or not. They're a couple months expired. Let's see. See if they're any good. They're not stale. Okay, so I'm going to be quiet. We're going to walk over to this trail entrance, and I'm just going to eat and walk. You guys can listen to the nature sounds, hopefully. These are good. I don't see any of the wild grapes. Oh, is that above us? Doesn't look like that, but I have seen those. Well, that's cool. Okay, so this is the loblolly pine. It's a common pine in the southeast. The trunk is usually straight and often reaches 100 to 150 feet in height. The needles are 6 to 9 inches long. It is an important commercial tree. So that's the pine trees I've been seeing around here. Loblolly pine. There's a little creek. Mm. This is a very peaceful, beautiful trail. Palmetto. Mm. Daddy long legs. Right here. He's blending in. He almost looks like a little flower or something. That's a big one. Well, there might be a whole bunch of them.